Good afternoon, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to void a check in the newest version of Account Edge. So I'm going to go to my command center and I'm going to go to spend money. And in the spend money screen, I've got a check number 1936, today's date. It could be any date, could have been from 2 days ago. I'm going to go to my edit button and I'm going to void the check. It's going to ask me if it's okay to void the check and I'm going to say okay. And now it's marked void, and the final step is to record it. And I'm going to close that screen panel. I'm also going to do it inside a bank register. I'm able to void a check inside a bank register. I'm able to void a check inside spend money. So go to bank register, and now I'm on check number 1937. I can see I've just done my void and today's date, and I'm on this line item to spend money. I go edit, void new bank register check. So I'm going to hit record, and it's okay to void it, and it's marked void here in the right corner, and I'm going to hit record. Now there may be an instance where I'm going to want to void a pre-existing check that maybe it's old, maybe it's wrong, maybe I never mailed it out, but there's always a reason to void a check, and I'm going to go in my register and locate a cash disbursement, and I'm going to click on that, and I have a $500 check from March 5th, 2016. Going to go to my upper menu bar, edit, and I'm going to void this check. Now what you see here is reverse payment, and I'll explain that in a minute, but voiding this transaction will create a reversing entry and mark the transaction as voided in the memo field. So what I'm actually doing is a better accounting method where I have my security preferences set to reverse to show the in and the out of the transaction. So I'm going to hit OK. It's actually preparing that reversal. That's got a void on it now, and I'm going to actually date that as of today, and I'll show it to you in my register when we're done. So that original check here is in my register for $500 as a void, and the offsetting makes a second entry, void reversal for $500. One last sample would be if I return to my setup and I go to setup and I go to preferences and I say don't reverse my transaction, and I say okay, it would behave a little differently in my screen. So if I'm going to show a sample of, here's another check to Comcast from that month, and it's going to actually allow me to simply either delete or void the check. So that would actually void this check. It's cleared the amounts, as you can see, which leaves no audit trail. You could get a session report on it. You could have your audit trail on it. It's just how you'd like to do it. I prefer to do a reversal, so you would see the in and the out on your bank statement. Your bank statement reconciliation is going to be easier, but in the meantime, I would just say okay. And now that transaction has been voided. If you didn't know where to set up in your preferences audit trail, I believe that's on my system tab. I think it's on my system tab. It's actually on my security tab. Use audit trail tracking system wide. So when you run an audit report, if you didn't reverse your transactions, you could at least see what you did. So have a good day, and thanks for listening.